Everyone says you have to visit Oxford. It's historic, it's beautiful, but is it actually worth the hassle in 2026? I'm Andrew and I've been filming Walking Tour here for years. Before you book your tickets, you need to know the truth about what a day trip here is really like. First up is the Oxford Castle and Prison. Let's go and have a closer look, see what sort of prices we're looking at, what's available. Just love the fact they've got a timeline on the outside here so you can see all about it without going in. Let's have a look at the prices. Quite expensive, aren't they? Actually, let's have a look around here because it looks like it's all part of it. Got a feeling there's a hotel around here. Yep, there we go. Posh hotel. Malmaison. Probably didn't even pronounce that right, to be honest. If I can find some information, I'll put it up on screen. Any doubts where to go in Oxfordshire? There's a few hints on this sign here. Yeah, I know you're thinking it's all just a shopping centre, but it's well worth a look. See if we get thrown out as well. Yeah, so it's pretty nice in here. Just your bog standard shopping centre really, but it's a nice place to come for a break. So this looks like a food court place. Let's see if we can have a look inside. Right, we're on our way to the next destination, one of the most famous colleges in Oxford. If you're liking this vlog, please hit the like button and think about subscribing. It's absolutely free. This is Christchurch College and that's the cathedral in the background. Let's have a closer look. These are the gardens that we're now in. So this is the main entrance to Christchurch College. This is where you go in as a visitor. This is actually the quietest I've ever seen it. So there you go, that's your prices. Not very cheap. $22.50 for an adult during the week, and at the weekend it's $24.50. So if you've got a family, that really adds up pretty quick. So not everything here is paid for. You've got the grounds here, Christchurch Meadows. Actually leads right down to the River Thames if you want to go down there for a walk. And obviously where we came through in the gardens is also all free. And you can look at the outside of the building. Right, this is my next recommendation, Merton Street. Beautiful old street, colleges, buildings, and a cobbled street. Let's have a look. I was going to show you how beautiful this street is, but it's full of construction at the moment, so maybe by the time you come it'll be a bit better. Well, Merton Street was a negative for me today, but obviously it's not a permanent thing. As you can see below, you've got the old cobblestone street. Just round the corner here is a nice vista. Hopefully they ain't got construction going on, but let's have a look. So you've got another accommodation option here, the Mercure Hotel, Oxford East Gate. So here's a nice vista I was on about. Through the gates. This is well worth a visit, but probably better during the spring and summer. This is the Oxford Botanical Gardens. You do have to pay to get in, but it's not too bad actually, £10 or £9 without gift aid. As I say, best to come during the spring and summer. This is the River Cherwell. This is normally where you would come to get a boat and go punting on the river. As you can see, it's actually flooded at the moment. But yeah, it's well worth doing if you like the slower pace. I'm sure there's no jet skis though. Right, here we go then, iconic Oxford. Radcliffe Square and Radcliffe Camera. So this is the main church in Radcliffe Square. It's free to go in, but you can also climb the tower. You get brilliant views from the top. It does cost to go up there though. So in the previous clips we've just come out of the Bodleian Library building, and now in front of you you've got the Sheldonian Theatre. This complex here is all free to enter. And that building there is the Clarendon building. Right, so here we go, another iconic Oxford site. This is the Bridge of Sighs connecting Hertford College. There we go, under the Bridge of Sighs, and in front of you, you've got the Sheldonian Theatre. This is one of my favourite places. This is the covered indoor market. If any of you know Ben Cookies, this is all where it started for them. Oxford has a lot of museums, including these two here, which is the Pitts Rivers Museum and the Museum of Natural History. So here we are in Broad Street, one of the best streets here in Oxford. Well worth a look around. This is the Ashmolean Museum. It is the best outside of London, and guess what? It's free to go in as well. Here's some more accommodation for you. It's the Randolph Hotel. It's just across from the Ashmolean Museum. Fans of Inspector Morse might also know it. This is Carfax Tower. You can pay a small fee and you go to the top and actually have a beautiful view of Oxford from the top. Anyone for the theatre? Inspector Morse. That's the new theatre, Oxford. Another theatre in Oxford is the Oxford Playhouse. Let's pop over and see what's on at the moment. This is Gloucester Green. There's not much going on at the moment, but this is normally where they hold the open air market. Usually starts on a Wednesday. At the start of the video you saw me come into Oxford by train, but if you want to come by bus I'll show you where the bus station is. It's actually here in Gloucester Green, just on the outside of these buildings. So here's Gloucester Green bus station. You can get connections down to London. Wow, that was quite a journey. Thanks for joining me here in Oxford. I'm off to get a new pair of legs. My legs are absolutely killing me at the moment. I think I've done around 15,000 steps today. But I hope you like the video. If you do, please look out for more videos coming soon. Please hit the like as well. And it's also free to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Bye.